Dear students, today we discuss remainder theorem. In our previous class, we discussed what do we mean by quotient and remainder, and we solved some simple polynomial division. One of the simple polynomial division is x square minus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 1. Our polynomial is x square minus 5x plus 6 is divided by x plus 1. Gives the quotient as x minus 6 and remainder as 12. Our polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6 is divided by x plus 1 gives quotient as x minus 6 and leaves the remainder is 12. You can divide and verify, that will get quotient as x minus 6 and remainder as 12. Now we already know the identity dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. We already know the identity dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Let us denote our polynomial by p of x. Our dividend is p of x. Then it become p of x equal, our divisor is x plus 1 into quotient is x minus 6 plus remainder 12. P of x equal x plus 1 into x minus 6 plus 12. Now let us substitute x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1. Why minus 1? Because minus 1 is a magical number. We will soon see. Okay, put x in place of substitute minus 1 in place of x. We get p of minus 1 equal minus 1 into 1 into minus 1 minus 6 plus 12. Minus 1 into plus become 0. 0 into minus 1 minus 6 becomes minus 7 plus 12. 0 into anything become 0 plus 12. 0 plus 12 is 12, which is the remainder of the division. 12 is the remainder of the division. We have a linear divisor here, which is x plus 1. When we substitute minus 1 in place of x, this part become 0. 0 into anything become 0. And we left only with the remainder 2. So, if we divide a polynomial p of x, if we divide a polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6 by x plus 1, p of minus 1 gives the remainder 12. Let us generalize. So generalize this. If we have a polynomial p of x, we divided the polynomial by a linear division divisor x minus a. We get a quotient q of x and remainder r. If we divide a polynomial p of x by a linear divisor x minus a, we get quotient q of x and remainder r. Now we substitute x equal to a. In this, left hand side become p of a. What will be the value of p of a? P of a equal, put x equal to a in this, a minus a into q of a plus r. A minus a become 0 into q of a plus r. 0 into anything becomes 0. 0 plus r equal r. That is p of a equal r. So we get p of a equal r. In general, if we divide a polynomial by a linear divisor x minus a, then p of a gives the remainder of the division. P of a gives the remainder of the division because we substitute x equal to a minus a becomes 0, 0 into anything becomes 0. At last we leave the remainder r. P of a equal r. The only remainder P of a equal to r. So this is the remainder theorem. So remainder theorem is, let P of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, or degree greater than or equal to 1, and let a be any real number. If P of x is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is P of a. This is the remainder theorem. That is, if we divide a polynomial P of x by x minus a, then the remainder is P of a. That is, the value of this polynomial at x equal to a is the remainder of the division. Now you can calculate the remainder even without dividing. So, if we have to calculate the remainder of a division without dividing using remainder theorem, you can calculate the remainder. Can you find the remainder of this division? 5x square plus 2x minus 4 divided by x minus 2. Now we have P of x is divided by x minus a. We put x minus a equals 0. We get x equal to a. In this case, our divisor is x minus 2. We put x minus 2 equal 0. What will be the value of x? X equal to 2. We need to find P of 2. P of 2 equal, or polynomial P of x equal 5x square plus 2x minus 4. Substitute 2 in place of x. P of 2 equal 5 into 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 4. 5 into 2 square is 4 plus 2 into 2 4 minus 4. 5 into 4 20. 4 plus 4 minus 4 cancel. Remainder is 20. When x equal to 2, P of 2 is 20. Our remainder is 20. Now you can using long division method and verify the remainder is 20. Now using the remainder theorem, even without dividing, we have got the remainder. Okay.